Welcome back, guys. Automotive Inc. Today we're doing an oil change on a 2012 Nissan Altima. This is the commuter that I currently have now, and we're working on some body work on the 2013. That's my daughter-in-law's, and I have got to show you. I don't know how I made my whole life without this thing, and for less than 40 bucks, guys, you got to think about getting one of these super funnels. Because before, everybody was asked what kind of funnel I use. I use like a cheap Super Tech one from Walmart. It's just a blue funnel with a accordion type nozzle on it. Never again will I change the oil with that. Maybe on the mower, because this one may not be as good on the mower, but I think it'll be just fine. So what's cool about this funnel is, I'll link it down below on Amazon. I'm not supported by them. They make a couple different ones, couple ones bigger, actual funnels and everything like that. So it all comes with all these pieces. One for little tight nozzles you can get like in areas that don't have a traditional fill or whatever, like mowers and whatnot. A shut-off valve for our oil. A sealable top, so once you clean it up, you can seal it. No dust is going to get into it like the other funnels. They kind of just lay loose. But what's cool is it actually gives you these pieces. And these pieces, guys, are all on these magnetic trays that they give you. And you get a good chunk of them. What's cool is they're all marked on here. So Chrysler, you have Subaru, you have GM, Ford, and sometimes they have double. So there's other manufacturers that sometimes have that type of latching fill, and some of them with threaded. It gives you both freaking sets. And again, I don't know how I made my life without it. I had seen it on the TikToker, the Shimu shop, or the Temu. That's it, Temu. And I was like, this thing's a scam. And so I was like, well, I bought a lot of crap off the zone, so we're gonna check this funnel out. Bought it. I've done 6 oil changes. I haven't dripped a single ounce of oil. And when you have some of these bonker like oil amounts, you got to put in 5 1/8 quarts. Come on, man. It's hard to do that. You can eyeball it. Of course, it takes more time, but this has actually measurements on it. So pretty bizarre. We got our little Nissan cap screwed in there. I'm going to take my handy dandy drip. It doesn't really drip that much. But that's just common practice I use so the dirt doesn't get in that nozzle. Now from here, all you got to do is just put this in there, find a way that it actually fits really good. Sometimes you got to turn the valve open already, but who really cares? Or shut, whatever. So you can just kind of squeeze it in there. The valve is open, but it seals. The neck is so long. Freaking awesome. Now we can actually just put our 5 quarts in there. I went with the 1 1/2 quart funnel. But what's cool is if you end up overfilling it, you can cap it, walk over, and put it right back in your jug. You don't have to get a funnel. It's all wobbly and shit. It's already in here. So you don't have to be like, oh, I overdid it. You're done. So you can just cap it off, shut it off, and do what you need to do. So guys, I'm going to link it down below. Check it out. It's freaking awesome. And if you have a hard to reach place, you can always take off that plastic in the insulator cover that's there and get down to it. But I appreciate you guys being here. Again, make sure you sub, thumbs up, and notification bell. And catch you on the next one.